Look at that, bubbling away beautifully. Ah, jet boils are the best. Didn't have to wait very long at all. By the time that drips through, that's going to be lush. That's James. Look at that. Look at that, it's James. Just in time for coffee. Good to see you, buddy.
Right, mate?
Yes, mate. Long time. There we go, that's all done now. Look at that nice strong hot coffee. Let's have a look at that. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's what I need. Because James didn't bring any Costas. You know, I'm in a van, I need a Costa. So, nice little Ridge Monkey breakfast of chipolatas. Look at that. James, oh. And you don't want to eat, James. You ate before. I told you I can make you breakfast. I'm going to sit there scoffing them in front of you. They're looking great. Flip them over. It's a lovely bit of kit, this Ridge Monkey. So there we go, all locked up, ready for the day. Sun is out, beautiful blue sea. Me and James ready to go. He's got his scupper, I've got my tempo, and we're heading down off Southbourne Beach, and it's going to be awesome. Isn't it, James?
It certainly is, mate.
Right, James, I reckon we're going to have to go fishing now.
Yeah,
it's been a long time.
It certainly has.
And look at that sea. It's so clear.
Superb. Hopefully we should see a few undulate ray today. Certainly plenty of mackerel, he says.
Sushi. Oh, it's going to be good. Right.
Maybe a few gurnards.
Oh, I love them. It's the kind of fishing day you dream about. You just don't get this sort of day very often. My first day. This is going to be a great holiday. And we're in. There's a good fish on here. I think it possibly is. This is heavy. It's a big fish. There he goes, pulling, and it's a ray. There was no bite. No. That's just settled on it. So it's definitely a ray. So I'm going to start pulling it in. Oh, here we go.
That's nice. Right, we can see now, can't we?
Yeah.
Can't see what it is. Probably barrel jellyfish. It's a big ray.
Yeah, it's an undulate.
Yay! First undulate. Thank you, James. That's what we were here for. That is. Oh, that's big.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It is.
Look at that. What beauty. I'm going to have to take it on the phone, actually. That's a heavy fish.
That is a good fish, Mark. That's
fish.
Definitely double figures. Right, and we go.
Oh, that is one heavy fish. Go on, mate. Off you go. Beautiful. That's fantastic, James. That's what I came for. An undulate. New species. That's going to take some beating as well.
Yeah, well done, Mark. Well,
oh no, it's a male. It's a male. Alright, that's quite fair. Hush now, Charlie.
marvellous.
Absolute stunning fish. You can tell it's a sandy pond because it's quite bland colouring. Look at that.
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely.
Cracking.
Yeah. Straight down the bottom.
Marvellous. Hey, another old friend. Here's Rich. Lovely. Thank you for coming down to see me. So this is your neck of the woods, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it was.
Now I last saw you over there, and that's got to be 10 years ago. So here we go. I'm dragging this up the road, and I hear hooting behind me and gesticulating, and I think, oh, some miserable old bugger. But no, it's Ken.
A real miserable bugger.
It's Ken, and it's Len as well. And for those of you who don't know who Len is is there. So there's Len and Ken. It's good to see you, buddy. He's been driving around all day trying to find me because he heard a rumour that I was in the area. I'm really chuffed actually. Well, I decided to have lunch now. I decided to go for something a bit different. I decided to go for chipolatas, which is the not different bit, with my spice ketchup curry. So these are going to be a little bit like the old currywurst that you get in Berlin. Look at that. I haven't got chips with it, but that's alright. Look at that. That is going to be lekker. There he is.
Yay.
There's the old pirate at last. Hey, how you doing, buddy? It's good to see you. Been a very long time.
Yeah, brilliant, mate.
It's got to be 9 years.
Yeah.
So it's 9 years since that Motherford Crazy Water demo.
Yeah, mate.
You're looking just as old and decrepit as normal.
Older.
And you're now like international world kayak surfing dude of history.
Trying.
Yeah, absolutely.
Trying, mate.
Can't believe you got no fishing rods. I was using your leads today.
My what?
Your ledge you made me all them years ago.
Brilliant, mate.
That lovely Ridge Monkey burger. 2 burgers with cheese between it. A cheese top roll from Waitrose. What do you reckon, Richie? Is that good?
Oh.
Excellent. If you can't eat rubbish in a camper van, what's the point of having a camper van?
Ridge Monkey.
So what's this about your door, Richie?
Oh.
Show me. Show me.
Open sesame.
What do you think of that then, Al?
Yeah, look at it.
That's lovely. I can't believe you're getting excited about beach fishermen though. You know, considering what you used to get up to, night fishing for conger miles out on your own.
Yeah, but it's still fascinating to me, mate. It's still interesting.
Well, that's it.
I love seeing people have a good time.
That's what it's all about. Good times are the best.